We're back, boss man. What are we doing?
All right, we are painting eaves. So,
Are we up against anything today?
yeah, it's been a day. I just tell you, one of the hardest parts about building in general, subcontractors. So, we got this super tight timeline we're working with right now. We got drywallers coming over the weekend, spray foam guys come in. They don't pass inspection because they did an awful job. Now, let me be fair, I'm not gonna name drop them because so far they're saying they're dropping everything and coming out and fixing it, and we're gonna get re-inspection and get back on schedule. But just know, if you're going to build something, a lot of times the most frustrating part, other people.
That's funny because I was talking about the wind and taping this off, but that's clearly.
Yeah. The wind is the least of my worries.